Yeah, it's looking rough right now, but goddamn, she purrs like a kitten. Whoo! Purrs like a kitten. Been sitting 6 months. I'm trying to run the gas out of this motherfucker. E85, you know the thing. So, for whoever, goddamn, that AC blowing cold as fuck. So, for real, if you ever get this blockage in these drain plugs here, these drain tubes in your cow, be sure, if you got a lot of water, pull all these grommets and drain them. Grommets fucking everywhere. They come in handy. This is where the magic happens, people. If you ever have rear SAM issues, this is the first place you want to go. Right here. Passenger side, W204. Now all I got to do is get the console out, rip this dash out. Gonna rewrap the panels. All the panels, gonna rewrap them. Same as I've done on my 2014, this is 2012. The gas, the smell of the fumes, Jesus Christ, man. She's dirty, she's been sitting around 6 months. But she is purring, look. Not even a skip on the RPM gauge. Look at that motherfucker, that needle hovering, just perfect. Perfect, damn it. Yeah, all that's because I got got all my airbag seats out and shit like that, but I can't wait to get her revived. I'm gonna revive this bitch. Gonna get her going. My first Benz. Miss it. Miss driving it. She's a little ripper. Gonna get it coated out. Valio, you know who that is. That guy's gonna hook me up really nice. Man, I'm stoked. I'm stoked to get this shit done.